Tala falava, more Pacific greetings. O le aso le nei na whaia I owa tātou te fia ma oli I ai. O di ia lea tua wā o pati ta oto te o tā muku le wha moi moi. O te ave elvi inga ma le wha mua, le wha sangi, le wha polo lea tua soi fua. Wha whatai lava I le tapu inga tata tunu. Behind me is the statue of Jesus the Redeemer, a notable icon for Rio de Janeiro, notable icon for all of Brazil. And I think it's fitting that we've come, this is my last vlog here in Rio for Rio+20 conference, and I've come back to Christ my Savior to give Him all the honor and praise. So I'm just going to allow the camera to show you the view around here. It's a beautiful country, beautiful people, beautiful food, beautiful culture, beautiful music, fantastic experience. I just want to thank each and every one of you back home in New Zealand and across all the Pacific Islands. Thank you so much for your support. Rio+20 conference, was it a success or was it a failure? That is the question. Rio+20 conference, is it the future that we really want? Is it the future that we need as the next generation? So I just want to say to everyone, I personally feel that the text that's been confirmed is not ambitious enough for the next generation. It's not bold enough for the next generation. It's not courageous enough for the next generation. I still feel that world leaders are still taking it lightly. I still feel there's no sense of urgency. I still feel we do have enough money, enough finance, enough resources to really battle climate change, to really address poverty, to really address the different calamities that we're facing. There's no sense of urgency, but that doesn't mean you and I have to give up. The youth are the future today, not tomorrow, but tomorrow's leaders today. The future starts now. I encourage everyone that hears my voice right now, you think globally, but you act locally. Think globally, but you act locally. You pressure, write letters, do petitions, demonstrate, visit, make appointments with your local politicians in your area. Especially us in the Pacific, we sometimes get forgotten because we're little islands in the Pacific Ocean. But I tell you, it's the little things that make big things stay together. It's the little nails that keep a house up. It's the little screws that keeps a car together when it's going along. It's the little things that count. It's the little nations that make this world complete. So I just want to encourage everyone that your voice is important, and that you do have entitlements to the future. Thank you so much, Simon Matafai here in Brazil, signing out. Ma lole soy fua moa, ma lole on sai, ma lole sa ili ma lo, soy fua ma ia manuia.